Hey everyone, this is Keegan from National Powersports. Today we're taking a look at this 2007 Harley-Davidson Electra Glide Ultra Classic with 7,301 miles. Powered by a 96 cubic inch engine with a 6-speed transmission, the Ultra Classic puts out 92 foot-pounds of torque at 3,500 RPM. It has a seat height of 30.7 inches and a stock dry weight of 808 pounds. This bike comes equipped with a multifunction 4-speaker stereo system, cruise control, and CB intercom hookups. It has been upgraded with a Lehman TRIKE kit, reverse, aftermarket wheels, passenger footboard covers, footboard inserts, foot brake pedal, shift pegs, and a trailer hitch. This vehicle has been fully serviced, detailed, and comes with a 90-day nationwide warranty. We have also purchased the CycleCheck's Vehicle History Report. You can view this report by clicking the link on the right side of the video.